Welcome to the Marshall Pottery site. Archaeological excavation here was the first scientific archaeological dig on the museum grounds. The data produced by these excavations are considered to be the most complete information on an individual New England potter to date. The Marshall Pottery site at Puddle Dock was purchased by Samuel Marshall in 1736 and occupied throughout the 18th century by Marshall, his family, and 3 enslaved Africans, Mercer, Bess, and Adam. The stone foundation at the corner of Jefferson and Horse Lane, formerly Liberty Street, sits where the Marshall House once stood. Marshall owned all of the east side of this block, including the corner where the Loud House now stands. Dr. Stephen Pendry, a recent graduate of Brown University at the time, directed the excavation of this site from 1975 through 1978. One of the most interesting artifacts recovered was this tamarind jar, a 15-inch tall earthenware vessel which dates to the mid-18th century. It was used for storing and shipping tamarind, a fruit that is native to tropical Africa that was also historically cultivated in the West Indies. Artifacts from datable deposits are significant as they allow a variety of studies to be undertaken that illuminate patterns of ceramic utilization, foodways, local and international trade, and general site activities. This tamarind jar confirmed that trade between Portsmouth and the West Indies was occurring in the mid-1700s. Similar tamarind jars were also recovered during archaeological excavations led by Dr. James Dietz in 1976 at the Parting Ways site, a free black community in Plymouth, Massachusetts. These jars have raised questions such as who was purchasing and consuming this exotic fruit. Some historical archaeologists believe the presence of tamarind jars serve as examples of how enslaved Africans and African Americans maintained cultural connections to Africa.